With a plethora of sightseeing options in the vast country, it is very difficult to know where to start when it comes to planning a vacation in everyone's favorite, the United States of America. Most popular cities, some famous for fun and glamour and others are known for history, offer tourists a broad spectrum of destinations to choose from. To make it easier for you to plan your trip, we have curated a list of the best places to visit in the USA. Along the east coast of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. and New York offer two entirely different experiences. Along the west coast of the country, Los Angeles and San Francisco are both hot favorites of tourists. In the southwest, the grand city of Las Vegas brings the desert to life, and the Grand Canyon showcases one of the greatest creations of nature. Beyond the mainland, the beaches of the Hawaiian Islands and Waikiki never fail to amaze their visitors. These are just a few of the wonderful destinations this country has to offer. Check out the full list of popular tourist places in America given below before the starting video, subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon. Number 1. Washington, D.C. Washington, D.C. is the U.S. capital and home to some of the most famous sites and national treasures in America, from the White House and the Capitol building to the Smithsonian museums. This city should be on everyone's itinerary of the East Coast. In the spring, the Cherry Blossom Festival is a beautiful time to visit, when the trees are in full bloom. Summer can be hot. You may want to hit one of the beaches near Washington for a bit of a cool-off. Fall is also a good time to visit, when the hot summer temperatures have cooled off enough to make walking around outside very comfortable, and the rush of the busy summer season has passed. In winter, the crowds are definitely smaller, and the city is stunning after a fresh snowfall. Number 2. Miami. One of the most vivacious cities in the USA, Miami is best known for its Latin culture and sizzling nightlife. Located in southeastern Florida off the coast of the Atlantic Ocean, Miami is also a major port city, managing the world's largest number of passenger cruise ships. Attracting tourists from all over the planet, Miami is a melting pot of ethnic cultures with a wide array of exciting attractions and activities. One of Miami's main draws is its sunny beaches that range from family resorts to party scenes and offer everything from water sports to shopping and entertainment. Across the bay from Miami on a barrier island is Miami Beach, known for its Art Deco architecture and glamorous South Beach. A visit to the beautiful Vizcaya estate provides a glimpse into South Florida's early 20th century history. Number 3. Los Angeles. The second largest city in the USA, Los Angeles is located in Southern California, surrounded by the Pacific coast, mountains and valleys. Often regarded as the entertainment capital of the world, LA is awash with celebrity culture. You can see the handprints of film stars on Hollywood Boulevard or go on a tour to see stars' homes in Beverly Hills. For laid-back days, there's the bohemian neighborhood of Venice Beach, home to Muscle Beach, and a rambling promenade that doubles as a stage for all sorts of quirky street performers. The seafront city of Santa Monica also offers a more relaxed pace of life with its old pier and aquarium. LA is also home to the world's first Disneyland. Great news if you're traveling with children. Number 4. San Diego. Centered around a natural harbor, the coastal Californian city of San Diego is located on the border with Mexico. It's rich in Mexican culture, outstanding family attractions, and blessed with a year-round mild climate. As you'd expect, the city is a popular tourist destination. San Diego was established as California's first Spanish mission in 1769, and visitors today can see some of the city's preserved buildings in the Old Town Historic District. The modern downtown pulses with shopping, dining, and entertainment, as well as points of interest like the San Diego Maritime Museum, which houses a collection of sailing ships including the world's oldest active one, the Star of India. Other museums display the city's natural history, art, and relationship with the U.S. Navy. Number 5. Niagara Falls. The world-famous Niagara Falls straddle Ontario in Canada and the American state of New York. Although it is often called the honeymoon capital of the world, Niagara Falls in recent years has also developed as a popular destination for family and adventure vacations. The magnificent beauty and enormous volume of Niagara Falls attracts millions every year from all over the world. Located on the Niagara River, the falls are a culmination of the flow of water that gushes out of the upper Great Lakes and are actually made up of 3 falls: Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls. 6 million cubic feet of water cascades over the ridge every second, making for an incredibly impressive sight. Number 6. New York City. The jewel in the crown of the USA when it comes to urban areas. New York is a megacity that is absolutely packed full of iconic places, areas, and buildings. World-renowned for its concentration of skyscrapers and famous attractions, New York City is what many foreigners often visualize when they think of the USA. In fact, sometimes it feels like you're walking through familiar territory, thanks to how often the city features in Hollywood films. Even the 5 boroughs that make up NYC are famous: Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, Staten Island. Then there's the culture: Koreatown, multiple Chinatowns, the remnants of Little Italy, and communities from Jewish to African American make New York a true world city, made rich by the people who flocked here from all over the world. Number 7. Yellowstone. Yellowstone National Park was the world's first national park, set aside in 1872 to preserve the vast number of geysers, hot springs, and other thermal areas, as well as to protect the incredible wildlife and rugged beauty of the area. Yellowstone lies on top of a gigantic hotspot where light, hot, molten mantle rock rises towards the surface. Subsequently, the park contains half of all the world's known geothermal features, with more than 10,000 examples of geysers and hot springs. Number 8. Seattle. Home to global giants like Boeing, Starbucks, and Amazon, Seattle is the largest city of the USA's Pacific Northwest region. Seattle is a coastal seaport city nicknamed the Emerald City due to its lush scenery resulting from a rainy climate. The skyline of Seattle is a thicket of towering skyscrapers. The crowning glory is the futuristic 605-foot, 184-meter tall Space Needle, built in 1962. The city is known for its music scene. It gave the world Nirvana and other grunge bands like Soundgarden and Pearl Jam. You can read up on this and more at the city's Museum of Pop Culture. It's also famous for seafood, which you can try at the historic Pike Place Market. What's more, the surrounding pine forests make for perfect hiking. Number 9. Portland. Straddling the Willamette River in the shadow of the majestic Mount Hood, Portland is the largest city in Oregon, as well as the third largest city of the U.S. Pacific Northwest region. While the city is known for its frequent rain drizzle, it is Portland's climate that produces it with picturesque scenery, including a plethora of rose gardens, which give Portland the nickname City of Roses. Besides its natural attractions, Portland is a popular destination for its relaxed atmosphere, outdoor activities, and large number of microbreweries. Number 10. Yosemite National Park. One of the most visited national parks in the United States, Yosemite National Park is prized for its jaw-dropping beauty that comprises magnificent granite cliffs, mountains, waterfalls, and glaciers. Located in the Sierra Nevada mountains of central eastern California, the park is home to an abundance of diverse wildlife and groves of giant sequoia redwood trees, which are the world's tallest and oldest living trees. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.